Okay, hey guys, it's the Scoop Cuber. Today I'm gonna be reacting to I think the worst competition Rubik's Cube judge of all time. So I will search that up. So I'm just gonna it's from Colorful Pockets, and then I'm just gonna see his most popular one, his most popular one. And then the worst judge ever. Yeah, it has 1.7 million views. So yeah, let's just get started. Now, here we go. I really like. Okay. Wait. So, I'm gonna try to do that again.
Alright, 6.821. You just sign here. Alright, and I will just sign the judge spot.
What the? Okay, that's just
judge spot.
What was about to write on his face? It's so weird. What the heck?
Oh, dude, nice. Oh, I'll make that better. Yeah. Yeah, I believe in you, man. Come on, you can do it. Go. Come on. Yes. No. Stop. God dang it. Stop. No. Dude, F or no, that was not. That's an F. Okay. Stop. Yes.
Yeah, that's just really annoying.
You ready? Try not to think about how this one solve could ruin your entire average. You ready? All right, try not to think too hard about looking at it. 18 seconds? Wait, what? DNF. There, you ready? All right, try.
Wait, that's really the only just rude. This is bad.
Try not to think about your TPS too much. 8 seconds.
What? Was the other one?
Okay, 14.58. Are you ready? Okay, go. Go! Henry Helmuth. Henry. Is Henry Helmuth anywhere? Henry Helmuth? And you see Henry Helmuth.
He's like, Henry Helmuth. And then he's like, and then that person's like, I'm right here.
Are you Henry Helmuth? Yes. Why didn't you say something? Are you ready? All right, just try not to think about all the pressure that is building right now on this one number. Are you still ready? 8 seconds. 12 seconds.
What?
15 seconds. 18 seconds. 21 seconds. 24 and a half. Nat and Soraya. World record! Whoa, what the? Sorry, I forgot what you meant. I was judging. Ready? Yeah.
Wow, just shouts world record and everyone comes, so he wastes people's time.
Wait, is that a 10 by 10?
That's something that non-cubers say. You're just so annoying.
Is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it is! What the heck? All right, what was the time? 50.71. All right, you sign here. Look, I'm the judge. You're the judge? No, I'm the judge here. Shut up. You want to fight about it? That was really slow, you noob. Are you ready? Yeah. All right, I've heard the solve's really.
Wow, even I'm faster than that. Like it takes 30 seconds to solve a 2x2. Like I solved it in like 7 seconds. Wait, volume.
Are you ready? Yeah. All right, I've heard the solve's really easy. Not Kevin. We have 3 seconds. Henry, this is actually OH. Yeah. Are you ready? Yeah. Wait. Are you filming? Is this gonna go on you?
It's not 15.
Okay, I'm gonna let you off with a warning this time, but next time stop the timer with your fingertips, please.
Oh, that is not okay. Like, as long as your palms are facing down, it should be fine, and you should not be touching the key.
I warned him.
Okay, so that was kind of entertaining, and yeah, that's about it for this video. Bye.